Today we are going to learn about a concept called as motherboard. Motherboard is one important component in the CPU. Inside the CPU can find different components like power supply, motherboard. The motherboard provides a platform for all the other components, and there is a sound card and network cards over here. The wires and cables, different cables are used to connect to different devices. Floppy disk drive. Nowadays we don't find this drive. Hard disk drive, CD-ROM drive. So this is a motherboard, and there are different components which are placed on the motherboard. As you can see, there are different components on the motherboard, and these components can communicate with each other. CPU socket, CPU heat sinks, power connector, DRAM, hard drive slots, NOT bridge, ROM, South bridge, PCI slots, backup battery, AGP slots, and there are different connectors. These connectors are also called as ports. Let us see the meaning of the motherboard. A motherboard is also called main board, logic board, or a system board. It is a main circuit board inside the computer which provides a platform for all the components and the peripherals to communicate with each other. In simple words, we can tell that a motherboard is a circuit board. It acts as a platform for all the components, and these components are placed on the motherboard to communicate with each other. The different components on the motherboard are processor, BIOS, CMOS, slots, disk controllers, I/O ports, bus. Let us see the first component, that is processor. It is also called as brain of the computer. It is a main component of the motherboard. CPU consists of control unit, ALU and registers. Control unit controls and coordinates the activities of the computer. ALU is arithmetic logic unit. It performs arithmetic and logical operations. And the registers are temporary storage areas to hold data and instructions. You can see the image of the processor here. And Intel is one of the leading processor manufacturers in the world today. BIOS. BIOS is a basic input-output system. It is a small chip on the motherboard that holds a set of instructions to load hardware settings. It is also used to activate various devices like keyboard, mouse, monitor, disk drives, etc. It is also used to perform a test called as POST, that is power on self test. This test will check if the hardware devices are present and working properly. You can see a BIOS over here, the image of the BIOS, that is a basic input-output system. This component is mainly used in order to check whether the hardware devices are present and whether they are working properly. CMOS. CMOS is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is also a chip that is used to store date, time and the system setup parameters. As you can see a CMOS battery over here. This battery will store date, time and the system setup parameters. Slot. A slot is also called as expansion slot. This slot is, as the name says, it is also known as expansion slot. It expands the functionality of the system and it improves the performance of the system. There are different types of slots. ISA. ISA is a folder technology for modems and slow devices like keyboard, mouse. PCI is for graphics card, sound card, video card, modem, network card. AGP, that is accelerated graphics port for graphics card. RAM slot, random access memory slot. It is used to install memory. The next slot is processor slot. It is used to insert a processor chip. PCI Express slot. It is faster compared to the PCI slot. PC card. It is used in laptop computer. So let us see the PCI slot, that is peripheral component interconnect. This slot is used to connect graphics card, sound card and modem As you can see here, there are three, that is PCI slots. They are faster compared to the ISA slots. The next slot is AGP. AGP is accelerated graphics port. You can see a port over here where the graphics cards will be inserted over this slot. RAM slot. RAM slot is used to install memory. This is a slot where the RAM is being installed. See the recap what we have learned today. Motherboard. Motherboard is a component which is there inside the CPU. It provides a platform for all the components, and these components can communicate with each other. So let us see which components are those. And the first component is a processor. Processor is one of the largest unit and is also called as brain of the computer, and it consists of control unit, ALU, and registers. BIOS. BIOS is a basic input output system. It is a small chip. It holds certain instructions, and it checks whether the hardware devices are working properly. CMOS. It's a complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is also a chip that is mainly used to store date, time, and system setup parameters. Slots are also known as expansion slots. There are different slots like PCI slots, AGP slot, uh, ISA slots, PC card, PCI Express slot. So different slots are there. These slots are mainly used to expand the functionality of the computer.